Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. I was doing some reading and come across this ticker SWRM. Was actually researching one of my previous videos today. If you're into forwardly TSNP, crypto, I've done a lot of crypto videos here lately. But somebody was talking about this one, and I got interested, and I checked it out, and this is something I wanted to throw out there and see who has it and make you aware of this one. And I'm going to be pulling the trigger on this one here maybe later today. I'll see if it comes down anymore. But the ticker is SWRM. It's called AppSwarm Incorporated, and you can kind of see what it's doing here today. So kind of went up and then just kind of trading kind of flat, but I'm kind of liking the looks of this one, and I'll pull up the website, so you want to stay to the end of this video for sure and see what this one's all about. It's really interesting, but you can kind of see what it's done here over the last week. You could have got into it for 2 cents a month ago. You could have got into it for not even a penny. So unfortunately, this one I missed again, but 5 cents, I mean, you could, if you got $50 to blow, you could get, what, 1,000 shares of it. So just throwing some ideas out there. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. You have to do your own due diligence. And now would be an awesome time to hit that like button, because I think you're going to like this video and like what this one's all about. It's really interesting. And again, it's called AppSwarm. Ticker is SWRM, and right now it's at 5 cents, and I've been kind of watching it here for the last hour since I found out about it, and I've been researching it. But a lot of good talk here lately. So SwarmConnect now announces live streaming for its video conferencing platform. And as you can see, this is just dated last Friday the 19th. Tulsa, Oklahoma, so just south of me, 2 states. As you follow my channel, you know I'm in Omaha, Nebraska, along with Warren Buffett. And this is a software development company and aggregator of mobile applications, which are huge, and announces new live streaming feature for its SwarmConnect video conferencing service. And like I said, you'll want to stay to the end of this one, because this one gets into the MJ play as well. SwarmConnect now supports live streaming through RTMP, real-time messaging protocol. As a host, you can broadcast your video conference to hundreds or thousands of viewers and beyond. Swarm to infinity and beyond if you're into Toy Story. SwarmConnect live streaming is compatible with any platform that supports RTMP streaming, including Facebook and YouTube Live. So this app's kind of all over the place, which is a good thing. While many other systems let you broadcast video and images, SwarmConnect lets you broadcast the entire meeting, including screen sharing. This is great for large corporate or municipal events, letting you reach a massive audience while keeping participation in the meeting to smaller groups of individuals. These features, along with our 5G broadband, and I just did a couple of 5G videos, you'll want to check those out. Initiative will allow us to offer streaming information service to local municipalities or larger enterprises wishing to provide real-time updates to their networks. And feel free to pause and read the rest there, but a little bit more about SwarmConnect. Offers video communication services such as video, voice chat, and contact sharing through mobile services, desktop, and laptop computers. SwarmConnect webinars enable users to conduct large-scale online events such as town hall meetings, workshops, training, and marketing presentations. And I mean, just this part of it alone, webinars, I mean, I'm sure you've all heard of Zoom and see what Zoom has done. Last I saw, I don't really follow Zoom. It kind of got away from me and lost interest in it. I think it's probably up above $500, but you see the point that I'm trying to make. This one's at 5 cents and that one's at $5. So again, this is just kind of the same information here, but you can kind of see what this one's done here over the last month. All the volume kicking in, and hit a high here of we'll just call it almost 6 cents, but you can see the boost in volume. This is their actual website, the company, and again, it's on the OTC, so you wouldn't be able to buy this on Robinhood. If you're looking for a different platform other than Robinhood, I have several links in the description, whether it be Doe, Webull, or Firstrade. Moomoo's another good one. I suggest buying this one through Fidelity. I haven't tried to buy this one yet. Like I said, I'm still watching it, but I'll be trying it here later. I recommend Fidelity. They do not charge a commission. TD Ameritrade, you could buy it with them, but they do charge a commission. But TD has a lot of the over-the-counter stocks that Fidelity does not. Fidelity's a little bit more conservative, so... But feel free to pause the video and you can read the rest about the company there. You can actually go to their own website. It's just www.app-swarm.com. But this kind of goes over their businesses and what they're into. And this is the point that I was trying to make in regards to the MJ Delivery Swift. They deliver... Right here, I would play the video, but usually the audio doesn't come through. But feel free to go to their website and watch that there for yourself. But Delivery Swift can easily handle the problem of moving large amounts of products across vast distances. However, the final mile from retail outlets or local outlets to customers' home often present a problem. And Delivery Swift is an on-demand logistics last-mile delivery platform that acts as an intermediary between merchants and prospect buyers and wish to get products from local merchants delivered to their doorstep. And Delivery Swift's focus is direct-to-consumer deliveries for such products such as groceries, furniture, pharmacies, and right there you have it, MJ dispensaries and small bulk job site materials based on local driver transport capacities. And feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. So just like I said, you can sit home and not to make fun of anybody, but you can sit home and get blazed and pick up the phone or the app and order some more, so you don't even have to drive anymore. Everything can be delivered to you. So this is another kind of a cool video that kind of goes over it. The text message marketers mission control center. So it was actually developed, and it kind of goes over the all the parts in the video there. But kind of an interesting company. I'm kind of liking it, so I'm going to be watching it here and pulling the trigger on this one. I mean, 5 cents, you can't go wrong, so I'm in it for the long term, but again, they don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. But there's quite a few people talking about it here recently on Reddit. It's always been kind of a go-to source ever since the GameStop hype. And speaking of GameStop, I see that's being traded again. I haven't followed it or tried any of it. And I also heard AMC, but I've kind of been staying out of that one. So, game on to you that are in GameStop and AMC. Hopefully you make some money on it. But back to Swarm. You can kind of see some of the talk here. It's bullish. Shorts want to get cheap shares. Here's how they can get mine: 50 cents, then $1, then $5. So This person has 1 million shares. Wow. But yeah, if you can get into it, less than a penny, these are the ones to hit. And I mean, even if they hit 5 cents, you're making it pretty big. So I'm in for 100 swap shares at almost equal price when I rode Swarm. So, I mean, there's just a lot of potential with this one for those Ric Flair fans. Woo! You might be saying, woo, if this does hit $5 from 5 cents, that would be awesome. So everybody that I can see in this one is bullish and is in this one for the long term. So, but like I said, I'm going to be probably doing another video on this one in regards to their website, because there's just so much in this website. You can see they're in the Bitcoin analytics, so they kind of cover it all. I haven't even got to go over everything here in the website yet, but I might download the app and just kind of play with it from time to time. And but there's all kinds of information here. You got games, the developers, the news. There was a news article here once it opens up. Back here on the 10th, appointed lead project manager for OrderNow Delivery Service in Canada. Software development company and aggregator of mobile applications is announced. For the last mile delivery service for restaurants and retailers. So that in itself could be huge. I mean, this delivery service, everything's DoorDash. And I mean, I see people delivering DoorDash all the time. And anytime I stop in a restaurant, there's usually somebody stopping to pick up an order. So since they're getting into the MJ, I mean, this could be huge. Like I said, you can just sit home and get blazed and don't have to worry about it and pick up the app and order some more. So last mile delivery is key. So, I mean, that in itself could drive this thing up. So, but I just wanted to throw this one out there. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me. And let me know what you think of this one. And again, it's AppSwarm, ticker SWRM. If I buy any of this one, I'll be doing another video on it. I've been kind of waiting for it to come down. Maybe I'll put in a limit order here of 5 cents and just kind of see what happens with it. So, but you can kind of see the action on it here today. So maybe we'll get another dip and it'll come down. So, but I think I'm definitely going to try this one at 5 cents or below. So I'm just kind of waiting for that to hit. And if you have any of this one, let me know in the comments, as well as how many shares you have and what your cost basis is. And I'm really liking this one. I'm glad I found it. So, but that is it for AppSwarm, ticker SWRM. And if you have any other tickers you want me to cover and make a video, I would be happy to do that. I've done a couple on crypto. And Forwardly, somebody mentioned Forwardly. I did that one today. And just did a new update on HumblePay, TSNP. The ticker is going to be changing. I believe tomorrow. If not tomorrow, I would watch for it on Monday and Tuesday of next week. So I never thought I'd get into penny stocks, but really liking it. It's been a kind of a fun ride here. So that is it for this one. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.